Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. One of the important aspects that one has to concentrate on while learning English is to learn new words to improve one's vocabulary. When you don't know the right words, it's very difficult to talk to anyone, right? Today, I want to share some valuable tips on how to improve your English vocabulary. So let's dive in. First things first, read, and read some more. Reading is an excellent way to expand your vocabulary. Start with books that are at your level. For example, if you are a beginner, start with some basic storybooks and gradually move on to more challenging material. If you choose something that is more complex to understand, you won't get the interest and you feel discouraged soon. Make it a habit to read every day, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Ditch the gadget before sleeping. Instead, do some reading before going to bed. Trust me, it will make a huge difference. Try to read out aloud so that your brain will associate the things that you see and hear faster. Next up, make use of technology. We are so blessed to be able to access the internet and take advantage of it, right? There are tons of language learning apps and websites out there that can help you improve your vocabulary. Have you heard of flashcard apps? Try using flashcard apps to memorize new words effectively. You can also find vocabulary building games and exercises online that make learning fun and engaging. Another fantastic way to boost your vocabulary is through watching movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos in English. Who doesn't love watching movies and web series? I would recommend that you watch shows like Friends that keep you entertained, as well as you can get to learn the language by watching them. If you like reality shows, even that is a good option to not translate, watch it in English. Pay attention to the words used and take note of anything unfamiliar that you hear. You can turn on the subtitles if needed. This will expose you to different contexts and help you learn new words effectively. You will learn how to use the same word in different contexts. Additionally, practice speaking as much as possible. Engage in conversations with native English speakers or online learners. Don't hesitate. Take the initiative and see where you go. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. How can you learn if you do not make a mistake? The more you speak, the more comfortable you will become with using new words in everyday conversations. Lastly, and the most important thing, keep a vocabulary notebook. Start journaling. Whenever you come across a new word, write it down along with its meaning and an example sentence. Okay, I'll give you an example. Today I came across a new word which is ecstatic. Now I'm writing down the meaning. Ecstatic means to be very happy. Now that I've learned the word and written its meaning, I will make a sentence. I feel ecstatic to be visiting this place. Okay, now I think it is clear on how to write and use new words. Next time when you speak to someone, prepare and see if you could use this word during the conversation. For example, you can tell the opposite person, I feel ecstatic to be talking to you. You would sound so professional and advanced, right? Keep a notebook for writing down such words and review this notebook regularly to practice what you have learned. Once you start practicing and you have used that word, you know that you have learned it. Okay, now let's sum up what we have already seen in the video. First thing, read extensively, utilize technology, watch English media, practice speaking, and maintain a vocabulary notebook. These tips will undoubtedly help you improve your English vocabulary over time. Remember to not be in a hurry. Success comes to those who work hard and wait. That's all for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel for more language learning content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.